During our stay in Camp Verde, we decided to take a day trip back to Sedona. The last time we came through town, it was cold and cloudy. Today, we have the classic bright blue Arizona sky, perfect for appreciating Sedona's stunning red rock formations and pine forests. If you're into art shops, they're everywhere, and so are the tourists. Even at 7 a.m., trying to find a place to park near any of the popular hiking spots was nearly impossible. It reminded us a lot of visiting Banff National Park in the summer. It's truly a beautiful area to visit. We spent a couple of hours exploring the town, taking in the scenery, and enjoying the peaceful morning. We continue north on 89A, a winding two-lane highway that passes through beautiful Oak Creek Canyon, a 30-mile drive to Flagstaff. We had gone through here a few days before, but it was in the rain and with a lot of clouds. Today, we have a bright sunny day. Though the drive through the canyon is breathtaking, we've arrived at my favorite part, a series of switchbacks and hairpin turns that lead us from the canyon floor to the top. I featured this area in another video, but today, the sky is a brilliant blue instead of rain. I couldn't resist trying the drone again. We needed a better vantage point to fly the drone, so we made our way to the top of the canyon and, surprise, discovered Oak Creek Vista Point. Last time, the weather must have played a game of hide-and-seek with the sign, because we definitely didn't see it. But wow, what a view! And as far as I know, flying our drone in the Coconino National Forest was perfectly fine. From this spot, we had the perfect vantage point to take in the breathtaking view below. In the background, the towering peaks are part of the higher mountains near Flagstaff. And to think we actually dragged our fifth wheel down this mountain in the rain just a few days ago. Apparently that's another big no-no. Didn't see that sign either. Having spent more time in Oak Canyon than we had anticipated, we decided to drive through Flagstaff and head east on Interstate 40 towards Winslow. About halfway there, we came across a tourist stop featuring a meteor crater. From Google Earth, it looked impressive. Well, $100, Canadian for the two of us. We could have walked up to the edge, looked down into the hole, but not for $100. We took a pass on this one. What's in Winslow, Arizona? Anyone from the early 70s who listened to the Eagles would want to stand on the corner of Winslow, Arizona.
Well, I'm standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona, and such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. Come on, baby, don't say maybe. Save me. We may lose and we may win, but we will never be here again. So open up, I'm climbing in. So take it in.